Hello loves and welcome back to a new tutorial. Today we have a makeup look for the Valentine's Day, hence the blouse I'm wearing. So I know the look is a bit more daring because of the lashes I'm wearing and the glitter on the eyes, and guys don't really like that kind of thing, but my husband does. He's a very forward-thinking man and I also like it, so he would have no problem going out with me made up like this. And I think that's all that counts, what you love, what your other half loves, and I think you should do exactly that, what makes you happy. So without no further ado, I'm going to show you now how I did the look. Stay tuned.
Say you should hear it. Oh, I'm happy to make time for your feelings, but you have to admit I already do. Let's just break it down to you and me uptown, dancing all around till the disco ball pops. But I have to be me, and everyone can see your anger is misplaced, and I'm gonna tell you. Don't hate me cause I get attention. Don't turn me into what I'm not. I have to be me 24/7, and I ain't never gonna stop. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Oh, no, no, no. No, oh, oh. And I ain't never gonna stop. Come on, listen to me. I've tried so many times to tell you this is as good as I can be. Why isn't it enough to be faithful and also be the hit of the party? Let's just break it down to you and me uptown, dancing all around till the disco ball pops. But I have to be me, and everyone can see your anger is misplaced, and I'm gonna tell you. Don't hate me cause I get attention. Don't turn me into what I'm not. I have to be me 24/7, and I ain't never gonna stop. No, 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 no. No, no. I ain't never gonna stop now, me. Never gonna stop now, baby, yeah. Yeah, yeah. No, 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 no. I ain't never gonna stop now, baby. Woo-hoo. Never gonna stop now, baby. Break down the awkwardness, put on my boots and a lily white dress. A million words, but how to express what I'm feeling when I see you. You flash a smile, I'm like, is this happening? I look your way and then of course drop everything. You walk over and ask if I'm alright. Hey, whatever it takes to break the ice. Don't walk away, there's more to say. I just need the courage to let you know what's on my mind. Like every time you pass by, something just feels right. Not apathy, it's
a pickup line, but either one of those is just a waste of time. I need a better way, I need some inspiration, something that better explains all my motivation. To meet you, know you, and be on your mind, I have to, but how do I put this right? Don't overcomplicate, just say hi, or whatever it takes to break the ice. Don't walk away, there's more to say, I just need the courage to let you know what's on my mind. Like every time you pass by, something just feels right. Not apathy, it's energy locked up, that's ready to scream and shout. I won't make the same mistake twice. I'm ready to shake up and break the ice. Do you have a roadmap that I can try? 'Cause I think I just got lost in your eyes. I have to tell you, I really want to. Whenever I look in your eyes, I won't make the same mistake twice. I'm ready to shake up and break the ice. Don't walk away, there's more to say. I just need the courage to let you know what's on my mind. Like every time you pass by, something just feels right. Not apathy, it's energy locked up, that's ready to scream and shout. I won't make the same mistake twice. Ready to shake up and break the ice.
First of all, I just want to thank you guys for watching this video, and just in general for watching my channel. You are amazing, and I just wanted to tell you that I love you, and I appreciate you. So if you did like this video, as always, please give me a thumbs up. That really helps me a lot. And consider subscribing if you're not a follower, a subscriber. And also follow me on social media. Why not? Because I'm there. I'm on Instagram, on Facebook, and on VERO. And I'm going to catch you in my next tutorial. Bye!